In this video, we're going to show you how you can use the dot density area style to fill your polygons or area-based features with dots based on an attribute value. So in this example, we've got a map of the world, and we're going to want to use the dot density area style to populate dots in each country based upon its population. So to do this, we're going to go into the style builder, and we're going to go ahead and add another style. We're going to choose the dot density style. And this will just put it on top of our existing style that we're using to color the countries and the borders. Once we do that, over here on the right hand side, we'll be able to set a name for our dot density style. So I'm just going to call it population style. Then we need to choose the column name we want to use from our attribute data to base our dot density style on. So we're going to use population of the country. And if you're not sure what all the data looks like in your feature layer, you can always click the View Data button, and that'll pop up this window here where you can view the data for your given layer. Finally, we need to show or set our ratio of how many dots we want to be displayed for each increment of population. So we're going to go ahead and say we want to show 1 dot and for every, let's say, 10 million of population. If you're not sure what increment to use, you can also use the recommend button, and the GIS editor will look at your data and recommend a value for your dot density area style. Now that we've got this configured, the last thing we need to do is just define what type of point we want displayed inside of our areas or polygons. And to do that, you'll see we have a point style underneath our dot density style here, and we can just configure this like we would any point style. So I'm going to make these fairly small black points with maybe a white outline of 1, just to give it a nice look and feel. And you can see down here in the preview, this is kind of what the end result's going to be. And once you're done, you can just go ahead and hit apply or OK, and you'll now see that we have a map with many dots around the world. And you can see the more popular countries have more dots, and the less populous countries have fewer dots. So this is a great tool for giving your maps another visual element, so you can easily see the density of data based upon your attribute value. Thank you.